Welcome everybody to another video, and today's .com Secrets, we're going to reveal secret number 12. So if you have a type of product like an e-com type product, you want to stick around and watch this video, okay? So if you've been paying attention to the previous videos, you already have an idea of what a funnel is like, what a lead funnel is like, what an unboxing funnel, a book funnel, and basically the cart funnel is not so different. But there's a few minor differences that I'm going to go over here really quick for the cart funnel. If you guys can see, it's the special offer, the bump up, the upsell, and then the thank you page. So that's not so different from the other funnels that we've been discussing. However, in an e-com type product funnel, which is called the cart funnel, Russell Brunson explains a few big differences. The first one is you do not want to make your funnel look like a regular e-com website where you have a lot of products. Like if you go to an Amazon page and you get offered one product and then there's like 20 other different variations of the same company, of the same, not the same product, but different other products of the same company. Remember, a confused mind always says no. What we want to do in a funnel is give them exactly what they're looking for and drive them straight to the checkout and then right to the thank you page. We do not want to give them a bunch of items so they can get confused and at the end of the day leave the funnel. So one big difference between a cart funnel and an unboxing funnel per se is the offer. Let's start with the offer, the hook. So in the other funnels that we've been discussing, the hook, the headline, is usually something that induces curiosity. With a cart funnel, on the other hand, you tell your customer exactly what they're going to get. For example, he talks about a funnel here that he was working for one of his customers, and basically his headline is 4 rows of our fastest dissolving toilet paper. So it's basically you give the customer exactly what they're going to get. So the main thing with a cart funnel is remember, you're selling one product on the cart funnel, right? You're not selling the whole website. You're not selling the whole brand. It's one product. So for you if you want to make money with an e-com funnel or a cart funnel, you need to get the sexiest, most desired product that your company has. And that's what you're going to use in the funnel. That's what you're going to use in the headline. And that's where you're going to get the most bang for your buck. Okay, so you have to look at all your SKUs and see which one is the sexiest, which one attracts more customers. And that's what you're going to use for the headline. And then another thing that he talks about in the cart funnels is one main difference is the one-time offer. Oh, sorry. Before I get into that, the order form page. The order form page is different from the other funnels that it actually gives the ability to the user to increase the cart value. So if he's buying 4 rows, you can actually get 4 rows of something. That's why he came into the funnel. He can actually get 2 more or 3 more rows. So that's in the order form. This is the one cart that gives you the ability to do that. And then finally, in the one-time offer, unlike other funnels that Russell Brunson says never offer more of the same thing. In the cart funnels, that's the strategy. That's exactly the strategy. You offer more of the same thing. Simply that you're going to offer it at a discount. So let's say you gave them 4 rolls of toilet paper for 20 bucks. Let's just say that. At the checkout, you're going to give them the opportunity to buy 4 more rolls of toilet paper at a 50% discount. They're getting the discount because they're already a customer. So that's kind of like the hook in the one-time offer. And guys, that is secret number 12. Great. It's a kind of a short chapter. Cart funnels. Get it, the book. Link in the description. Book 100% free. Hardcover. All you pay is shipping and handling. I'll see you guys in secret number 13. See you guys later. Take care.